If you eat cucumber every day, what happens to your body? Today, we're uncovering the incredible benefits of this refreshing veggie and why you should consider making it a daily staple in your diet. Let's dive in. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, making them one of the most hydrating foods out there. If you incorporate cucumbers into your meals, you'll help keep your body hydrated, especially during those hot summer days or after a workout. Hydration, check. And here's another reason to love cucumbers. They're super low in calories. Munching on cucumbers can fill you up without adding a lot of calories to your diet. It's the perfect guilt-free snack. But wait, there's more. Cucumbers are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin K, which supports bone health, and vitamin C, known for boosting your immune system. Eating cucumbers daily means you're fueling your body with these vital nutrients. Plus, cucumbers are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids and tannins. These powerful compounds can help fight inflammation and protect your cells from oxidative stress. It's like having your own defense system right in your salad. Want to improve your digestion? Cucumbers can assist with that too. Their high water and fiber content promote healthy digestion, keeping you regular and feeling great. Let's not forget about your skin. Cucumbers are known for their hydrating properties. Applying chilled cucumber slices to your eyes can refresh your look and soothe your skin after a long day. And if you're mindful of your blood sugar levels, eating cucumbers regularly may help regulate them. Some studies suggest that cucumbers can improve insulin sensitivity, which is great for maintaining stable blood sugar. So if you eat cucumbers every day, you're not just enjoying a tasty snack, you're also reaping a ton of health benefits. From hydration to skin health, this veggie is a powerhouse. If you loved this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share in the comments how you like to enjoy cucumbers. Until next time, stay healthy and keep crunching.